Hello, and today I'm at Coa Commercials on the Ilcester Road at Portway. And I'm pleased to be showing you this 1959 Standard 10. This has a 948cc petrol engine, and despite being from 1959, has just 6 owners from new, which works out at less than one a decade. Now, it's pretty local to here too. As you can see from climbing in, this was targeted as an affordable car, and therefore it's not riddled in luxury, but it has everything you need for a car in the 50s, including of course plenty of ashtrays littered around the vehicle. There you can see it starts straight up, and the engine really does sound superb. It's totally original, this vehicle is. That's what makes it so interesting. You can see they just gave you everything that you needed to get by in this time. Look at the rear view mirror, just propped up. And there you can see, of course, the wing mirrors are actually where they should be, down on the wing. Pretty cool. Although I must say, on a sunny day like today with the low sun, you can see why this didn't particularly catch on with modern cars. Look at these bench seats at the back. And again, with it being from 1959, it's a time before standard seatbelts being a requirement. However, as I mentioned, they did provide ashtrays. Interesting to see the priorities of cars made in the 1950s. Just look at that rear chrome bumper. It's like brand new. Full size spare in the back. As mentioned, this car was built just down the road from here, about 20 minutes away, in a place called Coventry, which was well known for car building in the 60s and 70s. Indeed, the Standard Motor Company operated from 1947 to 1963 and produced 172,500 vehicles in that time. And this is perhaps one of the most original versions of them left, and we thought it was worth showing you. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.